everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's video will be a little bit different. It will be about snow because we got some snow here in Alabama on Tuesday. I was so excited. I went outside playing. I even built a snowman. But we did get a lot of snowfall, and when I checked the weather reports, they were comparing it to the blizzard of 1993 that happened here in Alabama. Just to show you the amount of snow we got, when we went outside of our house, we measured the snow at 9 inches on the ground. So we definitely got a lot of snow, which is very rare in these parts. However, as I said, I enjoyed myself, and we even went around in our community because we wanted to see what it looked like. So we went driving around and we saw a couple cars that slid off the road. So it can be very dangerous, but all in all, I had so much fun and I wanted to share that with you guys, show you how the roads were and show you how the city looked with all that snow. Stay tuned.
So this is how our community looks. Look at all that snow. Neighbors are trapped inside, can't go anywhere. Look at our vehicles. And this is our back patio. We were just trying to clear off some of the snow because though the sun was out and the snow was melting, the temperatures would have fallen in the night. So the snow would have been frozen and turned to ice. So we tried as much to get off all that snow off the patio and wherever else we could. It was a lot of work, guys. And this is how our backyard looked with all that snow. Moving on to the front of our house, there we are trying to clear off all that snow off of my car. It was a lot of snow. You could barely see my vehicle before this. As you can see, our neighbors were doing the same thing. They were cleaning off the snow off of their vehicles and also clearing their driveway. Later on, we drove out into our community just trying to see how the snow affected everyone. And as you can see, all of the vehicles are covered with snow and some would have already melted off. Even the top of the houses had a lot of snow. So while we were driving, we spotted a car that slid off the road. From what we could see, no one got hurt. So that shows us that we have to be very careful when driving on a snow-filled road, especially if you do not have four-wheel drive. Driving through the city, we passed our local Walmart, but like everywhere else, the Walmart was closed and there was a police officer manning the area and also informing residents that the Walmart was closed. We continued our journey passing the local Foley High School. While passing the high school, we spotted a Honda, and it seemed as though the driver was having some difficulty. We then moved on to another neighboring community where we stopped and visited a friend. So after a few hours driving around the city, we decided to head on back home. And on our way home, we spotted a huge snowman. Look at how big he is. When we came back home, I decided to make my very own snowman.
Well, that's the end of my snow video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as usual, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box below and I'll definitely answer them in my next video. Thank you so much again for watching, and please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.